is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got a pack that comes by way of an umai crate. If you go over to japancrate.com and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider, you'll get a little bit of a discount. This is Kenko Foods. This is a Sesame flavor ramen. Sounds good. I like sesame. We'll see if it's good, indeed good. It's a 3-minute. There we go. Sachet. Noodle. Drop the noodles in. Move it up. And away we go. Let's start things off with our quote from the book Momofuku Ando Speaks. These are quotes from the guy who invented the instant noodle. Number 162. Just because formal authorization has been given does not mean that an action must be executed. Think again from the point of view of management accounting whether that expense is truly needed. So just because you can spend money doesn't mean you should. So what's going on? I overslept this morning. I got up at 6:30 when my wife's alarm went off. In fact, she woke me up. Yesterday I went out around 5:30 a.m. and I walked and I walked and I walked. Got 11 miles in the morning. Got home, pounded a protein drink. Fell asleep on the couch for 40 minutes and did a bunch of stuff around the house, and a little bit later I took my daughter Mimi out and we went for a walk, a big walk, and ended the day with just about 20 miles of walking, which is pretty good. And then of course my system decided, oh dude, you're good, you don't need to get up and walk around anymore. Although I really wanted to. But I think today I'm going to tend to some business. I've got some need, I got an umai crate subscription box that's showing up today, so I got to do that unboxing. I've got something that just showed up. It's a First Taste Club box from Nissen Foods. And it's got a Firewalk sticker on it, which means that it has Nissen Firewalk in it. I've always wanted to try it too, so I'm jazzed on that. Yeah, I don't know how I got in the First Taste Club, but I'm not complaining because that's pretty neat. I'm guessing it's because I've worked with Nissen before, and I do review a lot of instant noodles. So if a company wants to put out a product and they want some free exposure, that's what I do. Let's see, almost done. I'm doing 5 today. Yeah. Kids don't have school today. It's January the 25th? Yeah. I don't know why they don't have school today. They didn't have school last Monday, but that was obvious why. That was Martin Luther King Day. But yeah, I guess it has something to do with grading papers or this or that. I don't think they give kids in preschool a letter grade, though. You got a D. That would suck. Starting out your academic career, getting graded. Jimmy was very adept in mathematics. However, the picking of the nose must stop. Don't pick your nose, little Jimmy. Try. Oh, come on. There we go. Oh, I hope they're out there being good little children. It'd behoove them. Oh, they've been pretty good this weekend. Here is the broth. There's a lot of bits of sesame seeds in this stuff. That's pleasant. Got a nice, kind of light, almost shio-like taste. Nah, I wouldn't say shio. Maybe like a sesame shoyu kind of thing, but it's really light. I mean, it's not a cranky kind of, it's not pushy. I don't know, it's casual. It's casual ramen. Wow. Okay. A little toothsome. I like that. Not extremely so, but in a way that I enjoy. Nice little bit of chew to it. It's a good instant. I could be wrong. This might be an air dried too. I don't think it is though. I think this one is like priding itself on using vegetable oil. 100% vegetable oil, kids. Okay, let's throw in some chosh here. Oh, you want to watch, don't you? You voyeurs out there, you just want to watch. Is out there. His hackles are up. Mimi is probably trying to do something he doesn't care for. Good, Mimi. Good. That's my boy. No. Tolerance, Miles. And guess who made eggs last night? I'll tell you what, it wasn't me, and that's why they're so nice. At least I think they are, we'll see. Oh yeah, oh wow. Here we go. Right? All right. No, get out of there. It's not bath time. Sometimes, you guys. Come on, you little piece of... Yes, I'm yelling at a bowl of soup. Don't give me crap. It's already got sesame seeds in it to a pretty decent extent. Here's some togarashi. And being a fan of said sesame seeds, I'm feeling a little confused. Where's my big freaking jar that there? I was gonna say, it's already got sesame seeds in it, but, you know, more the merrier. That's fine. And that is one down. Somebody was complaining about the lighting in here. I do it all the time. I totally understand. I get it. Alright, there's one. Got more to do, so you will see on the next episode. I'm going to do a panda signature. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to do the beef one. So now it's the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.